Welcome back, and today I have, I think, a new incarnation of Soyosource, which we have seen that it was maximum till 1200 watts. This one is supposed to be 2 kilowatts. So what is there? It just says 4.8 kilo grid tied inverter. That's it, and nothing else. Okay, so open it and let's see what is inside. One of the instruction how to connect for the new Wi-Fi module, and here it says, see, there it says user manual with limiter, and there it is only 1000 watt, 24 volts, 36 volt, 48 volts, 72 volts, and 96 volts, and there we can see a maximum of 1200 or 900 watts where possible. So they have not changed the basic manual, but there should be another one, and you can see here there is another manual which says GTN 2000LIM or 2000LIM. Has the same one, but same 1 meter and CT sensor, but now it has direct AC cable. Safety instructions, meter, and how to connect. This time it has circuit architecture, says transformer, inverter bridge, EMC filtering, and grid. A little bit DC input is now screwable. Cooling fans and AC cable connection, and DC terminal port. It also has, and now the display can be had with USB. Previously it was not possible. Parameters seems to be the same. And now you can see the model 2448, now 2048, 2000 is 72 volts, 2000 with 96 volts. And maximum output is now, if working on battery, can only be maximum of 1600 watts. In 1200 watts model it was only 900 watts. For the, and around 1200 watts is for the 1500 watts model. What else is inside? The inverter itself, but let's see what is in the accessories. Usual AC cable, the meter, CT sensor, Wi-Fi module, and okay, this one I think for attaching it to the walls. So that's the, it is a little bit bigger, but now a bit sophisticated. GTN 2000 watt, 48 volts. PV can be 50 to 99, battery can be 43 to 75, and the maximum of 1600 watts can be given, and power factor is 0.99. Okay, here is connector for the attachment, which is also not bad. What else is there? On this side nothing is there. On this side, place for Wi-Fi, the RS485 connector, battery inputs, and plus and minus battery input. I don't know what does it say on Chinese. Yeah, so let's open it. One moment please. So I have unscrewed it. Let's see if it gets open. It doesn't, so I may need two hands or both of the hands. Okay, these are the screw holes. So from above you can do the screwdriver, and from here you can put the battery connector. So this one is an improvement. This one is still not. Now it seems to have a polarity protection, and this time it's a neat. Let me bring another one, the old one. This one is the GTN 1200 mainboard. You can see very cluttered here, at least in my eyes, very neat. The 4 capacitors are also here to be found. These 4 transformers are also there. Now we can easily see what are the MOSFETs there. Here we can see FHA 90N25. The MOSFET both of the sides seems to be FHA 9825, and on the old one it is 70N20. So here it is a little bit different. Here both of the sides are the same MOSFETs, and in the old one DC and AC sides were connected on the same plate. Here you can see it says high voltage, and both the plates PCBs are separate. All in all, in my opinion, it's a neater design with a room for improvement, and it is from Soyosource. You can see here it says Soyosource from 2025 June, and the label seems to match. You can see here this one, the 1200 watts is from 2023, also from Soyosource. So that's it for today. I will make another video. If you want, write in comments, so that I will make another video whether it works and how does it works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you can give some supers if you want. Till next video, have a nice day. Bye.